Good morning, friends. This is Ad Zeros. How are you guys doing today? Good morning. Can you guys hear me? Let's do a sound test. Good morning, friends. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, message me so then I can know that you guys can hear me and we can start. Awesome. Okay. All right. So SPY, NASDAQ, Dow, gas, oil, everything green except the gold. So everything is positive. S&P 0.3% and the Nasdaq future is 0.24%. I just did a pre-market AMC trade in the pre-market. So I was waiting for the whole number and the bear flag to fail. So if you look at it, this is one bear flag, second bear flag, and the moment it failed, I entered a long transaction, uh, a quick scalp, one more scalp, and then I saw this trying to move back, so I added scalp back. I thought this is gonna be a wrong time to add, so I added on the way back down, then scalp, added profit, and I was expecting it to break the 30 and then move up, but it couldn't break the 30, so I stopped out rest of the 29.55 on my break-even cost. But at one point I was up 500 bucks. But I couldn't. And now I'm looking at this. See, this is an important level. It's kind of a double bottom. Um at the 29, very strong level, is supported by call time. So let's see that if it's hold that level, um, and we're gonna get that nice pattern, then we can go and trade. Right now there's no pattern. So this is an AMC. um, let's look at the some of the stocks in our scanner. We have AMC, we have a BYND. So if we look at the BYND daily, it's really moving on. Yesterday I got squeezed on this stock, and I think it's because there's someone, Jim Cramer, tweeting about the stock very much so, and that's why this is just a short squeeze from $900 to $149, and the high was 235. Look at this. So let's see what it does. Does it pull back today, or consolidate or move back up? Hard to tell. So next one, what I have is, we already have discussed the AMC. If you look at the 5-minute chart, uh, you know, since morning it would just keep moving up. High reached to 33, and if you just look at the 30 minutes candle, you will see here almost 1.4 million shares have been traded. In the morning, also 900,000. So there are a lot of short cover has been done, I guess, or maybe someone is buying to move this up. So right now, if you look at it, there's a big candle, Beautiful consolidation, and that was the reason I went long. I was thinking that this from here is going to get green. So right now, what we need to see that if the stocks hold this level and stay above 2950, then definitely we have a good long opportunities here. Let's look at the plug. Plug is also 3.2% gapping up. If you look at the daily, uh, looks good. Yesterday was also a strong day. Uh, it has a bull flag now. There was no consolidation. It's just breaking out. So it's just gonna be a breakout trade over $30. And let's see what it does. Does it consolidate here? We need to find the opportunity. The high of the plug is, if you look at the daily, the high, all the way high is 88. So it's very much down, almost $50 down. And yeah, okay, it's a big choppy consolidation over 30. So we need to just keep this levels in our mind and let's see what it does. Can you hear me or no audio yet, Luis? Awesome. Okay. Okay. So, oh, AMC, AMC. Exactly what I was talking about. That is gonna make the bull flag here. Look at this. It's trying to reach that level. Let's see what it does. Maybe I feel like to trade one more time if it's move above. So let's see what it does. Uh, I want that to stay over 2950. Give us a nice bull flag pattern right now. S- Okay, so is this see price is jumping now very quickly. Um, Price is jumping without any pattern right now. Uh, let's see what when this 5 minutes candle closes down. Um, it may be too late, but that's fine because if you look at it, it's just popped. Uh, uh, it's just popped a very bullish candle. The flag what we missed on the 2920, and now there's no flag. It's just moving up. Still 3 minutes left on this 5 minutes candle to close. Look at how strong it is. How strong it is. Look at that. Unfortunately, I do not have the level to. I don't know for IB. In the pre-market, the market depth doesn't work. I don't know why. For some stocks, not all of them, but some stocks. So it's hard for me to understand what's happening on the level two. So let's see what it does. It's a very beautiful, very bullish candle. Um, I wanted to see if we can give us some kind of a flag pattern. I don't want to jump to the trade here. Very volatile. So we missed almost 30 cents right now. But that's fine because is volatile. If there's no clear pattern, you may lose it. Let this 5 minute candle finish, then we'll see. Oh wow. Look at this, almost 80 cents. 80 cents candle. I was expecting this kind of a move here, but look at this, right? It didn't happen here, but it happened here when I didn't take the trade. What are you thinking, Lois? This looks really crazy today. AMC is going to be really crazy today. Let's see what it does on the consolidation here. Oh no, see, no consolidation. Wow, just breaking out. I missed it. Some people might be trading right now on this level. Do you see? This is a this is a 5 minute chart. So many traders in the pre-market where the volume is over 50,000, 20,000 on a 1 5 minute second. They trade basically 5 second trades. Anyway, let's look at other stocks. Um, the we already saw the beyond. Let's look at the CRM. Let's look at the daily chart of a CRM. Wow, look at this. How bullish it is. Uh, so all-time high. I don't know. I'm not going to trade this. Let's look at some of the stocks yesterday. Uh, See if plan holds over 50, then it could be a good bullish. So just keep this into your short list. Yesterday it couldn't hold the over 50, but if it's today, if it's go over $50, it can be a good, beautiful trade. So if you look at it here yesterday, it was keep consolidating under these level. So 49.54 to 50.20 or 50.10. If it's hold over this level, then it can be a good sign. So just put into that into your list. DLTR, you know, has a very bad day yesterday. If you look at the daily chart, and it came down, but it couldn't go under the $100. So let's see if as we get the momentum of pushing down under $100, then it can be a good momentum for the continuation. The exactly what I was saying for the PDD. I didn't did the PDD, but if you look at the PDD, PDD did exactly the same thing. It very bearish, and the next day is a continuation. So let's see if we can get some continuation in DLTR. So I'm going definitely gonna look plan and the DLTR. Next one is the PLTR. Yesterday I lost money on this because I was just a bit impatient. Uh, so if we look at the daily chart, it's really breaking out. Uh, but is also getting extended now. But if you look at the size of the candle, size of candles are not that big. So let's see. Let's just today I'm going to prepare for both side. Uh, but definitely it looks beautiful green. And today a lot of the growth stocks are moving. So you never know. This will also move. And the PLTR short interest is not that much short float is only 6.29. So not really a short interest here. RBLX close to $100. Look at the charts, beautiful chart. What is going to do today? Today, whether it's gonna consolidate or it's just gonna uh, break out because it's close to $100. So we keep an eye. We might this stock might go over $100. So I'm gonna make it simple today. I have uh, some doctor appointment. so I might need to leave around 10. So what I will do, I will just keep it simple, maybe one or two trades if I can take, and that's it. So for today, keep in our PLTR, uh, AMC for sure, uh, DLTR, and the plan. And you can look at the RBLX and BYND and the CRM for the long gap and go trend. That's all I have. So anything else you want me to look at it, Louis? Good morning. Feel free to introduce yourself. Uh, Louis, do you have any question, any stock you want me to look at it? So see here, show you the see for that's what I'm saying. See here. So since with no consolidation, we didn't take the trade. It was really bullish candle. So now see now it's consolidating happen and consolidation happening at the prior resistance. So I'm gonna mark this level 29 because if I think that if it's gonna break this, then it's definitely gonna go over $30. So I will just keep this into in front of me and let's see what happens. If you guys don't have any questions, then we can end the sessions. Hope you guys have a great weekend and had a great week as well. And I will see you tomorrow. Hi, Brigade. Sure. Let me look at the OCGN for you. So OCGN, if you look at the daily, yesterday was a very beautiful day for OCGN, and OCGN has a resistance over 950 that we can clearly see here. But the stock sometime when it comes so close to 950, their real test starts on the $10. If it if the OCGN gonna break $10, it might gonna squeeze many because there's a lot of short sellers who have shorted and expecting this stock to go to $5. And the yesterday when it moved back up, they might have covered a little bit, but they're waiting to see that what is going to happen on this resistance. If the stocks push back up, they have to recover, close their, to cover their short sale, and this may push the stocks higher. So keep this level. This is very interesting level. So I will also keep an eye on this, but always remember this OCGN is little choppy, right? So until it's not touching $10, we might not get a uh, right move. Okay, so look at here. It uh, if we just quickly, if we check it here, if you look at it here, it tried to move yesterday, high in the pre-market, completely pushed down, find the resistance on the yesterday close, and then now is you know trying to do but not doing much because it's not a clear trend. So at this point I wouldn't touch it until unless I find a nice trend over the pre-market over the yesterday close, and then I will start trading it. All right, I will end that. I have missed my AMC trade. It's broke the level which I was looking at it, 2980. Let's see, I'm gonna go long over 30 if I can. I missed that level. No problem. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining.